Hi everyone, so I'm here in the quiet library reserved study rooms to do this. It's very peaceful here. Good place to study math. But anyway, the question I have is from section 10.2, it's number 7. I know Dresser said for us to do a couple of these, or suggested it in the discussion forum, but this one drove me crazy, so this is the one I'm deciding to show. So we're trying to find the ratio of the two integers. So we've got 6.251 with the 1,5 repeating over and over and over. And well, we have this to help us, the sum of an infinite geometric series S equals A over 1 minus R. So let's go ahead and get my setup here. So focused on the non-repeating part, we see that the 6.2 is not repeating. So when you want to convert that into a fraction, I think most people know how to convert something from a decimal to a fraction. And so then you want to focus on the repeating part after that. That's the 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, which is, there's another way to show it. 15 times, you got 10 to the negative 3 because of the place where it is, plus 10 to the negative 5 plus 10 to the negative 7, and so on and so on. And so this, I was kind of like, well, I don't really know what I'm looking at, but you gotta fall back on the equation that can help you out. So you want to say your A value can be this first part here, this 10 to the negative 3, and your R value can be, I guess, the distance, the ratio of each repeating part, which would be 10 to the negative 2. And then you plug those in here into the S equals A over 1 minus R. So that looks a little funny, and this was kind of getting me stuck. I don't know why it looked so, or felt so difficult to do this kind of arithmetic. But okay, so you've got it in this form here. And then you can just a lot of weird subtraction and stuff. You got 1 minus 1 over 100. That's, well, you can just eyeball that. That's 99 over 100. And this is 1. Dividing by that is just, flipping it, multiplying across. So your ratio is going to end up as 1 over 990. So that gets more manageable, and then you're going to want to multiply that, because that's kind of, that 1 over 990 is this part here. So you can multiply that by 15, and then you're going to add that back to the 6.2, which was our 31 over 5. It's kind of a mouthful, but this is what it's going to look like. 31 over 5, that was our 6.2, plus 15 times what we just found here. So that's, this is this, by the way, plus 15 over 990, adding that together, and see, I remember doing these problems, this specific problem, it looks different than our other series and sequences questions, because every time I got to an answer, I didn't reduce it, or kind of didn't know how. I guess it's kind of a, easy thing to do, but I kept forgetting to do that so many times. This problem was driving me insane. So anyway, divide that by 3, and that's the lowest that you can reduce it. So our ratio of the two over 330. Like I said, I picked this one because it was really difficult for me, and it looked different. It looked different, same concept, but it looked different, kind of than any of the other homework problems. So, all right. Hope maybe that helps somebody. Don't know. Wish I had seen this video before I started doing this stuff. All right. Good luck, everybody. Hang in there.